Hello, everyone. I want to share something incredibly powerful, especially for seniors who are struggling with thinning hair, hair loss, or weak, brittle strands. This is completely natural, safe, inexpensive, and supported by real science. Just one spoonful of black sesame seeds before bed can help nourish hair follicles, improve scalp circulation, support hormonal balance, and encourage the regrowth of thicker, healthier hair. When a senior looks in the mirror and notices thinning hair, it is more than just hair disappearing. It is confidence slipping away, identity fading, and a reminder of time passing faster than we expect. But something as simple as one spoon of black sesame seeds each night can begin to change that story. Inside this tiny seed is one of nature's most concentrated collections of nutrients that support hair health. Researchers in China and Japan have studied these seeds for decades, showing how they slow aging, restore pigment, and strengthen hair from the root. Every strand of hair is a living structure that depends on nutrition more than most people realize. Without the right nutrients, hair becomes thin, fragile, and lifeless long before it falls out. But with proper nourishment, hair can come back thicker, darker, and stronger, even in seniors. Black sesame seeds are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin B6, a nutrient essential for producing keratin, the protein that hair is made of. Without enough B6, keratin becomes brittle and breaks easily. Many seniors experiencing hair loss show deficiencies in B vitamins, especially B6. When B6 is replenished, the body can repair keratin production almost immediately. And black sesame seeds deliver that building block in every spoonful. This tiny seed also contains zinc, one of the most proven minerals for hair growth. Zinc signals the follicles to grow, repair, and stay alive. Without it, follicles shrink and hair growth slows. Zinc deficiency is one of the leading nutritional causes of thinning hair in older adults. Black sesame seeds provide zinc in a highly bioavailable form, meaning the body can absorb and use it efficiently, rebuilding hair strength from within. Iron is another vital nutrient present in black sesame seeds. Hair follicles are living tissues that require oxygen to grow, and low iron is a common hidden cause of hair thinning in seniors. Black sesame seeds provide plant-based iron that absorbs steadily into the bloodstream and restores oxygen delivery to the follicles, helping hair stay healthy. Alongside iron is copper, a nutrient often overlooked but crucial for hair color and strength. Copper supports melanin production, the pigment responsible for hair color, and strengthens the hair shaft. Seniors often notice that restoring copper helps reduce graying and restores vibrancy. Black sesame seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, similar to those in fish oil but in a plant-based form that is gentle on the body. Omega-3 south reduce inflammation at the root, moisturize the scalp, and thicken hair strands. Seniors who consistently consume omega-3 south often experience reduced shedding and noticeable improvements in hair density within weeks. Antioxidants in black sesame seeds are another overlooked treasure. The scalp constantly faces oxidative stress, which damages follicles and accelerates aging. Seniors are especially affected because natural antioxidant levels decline with age. Black sesame seeds contain sesamol, sesamolin, and other unique antioxidants that neutralize oxidative stress, rebuild follicle health, and protect hair from damage. Imagine all these nutrients entering the body at the same time every night. During sleep, the body enters its most powerful repair cycle. Hair follicles that were starved suddenly receive a flood of nourishment. Keratin production restarts, circulation improves, pigment reactivates, inflammation decreases, and the scalp finally has the environment it needs to grow healthy hair. Seniors who increase dietary intake of these nutrients experience stronger roots, faster growth, and less breakage. Hair loss is often not just about age. It is about deficiency. Years of nutrient gaps, stress, and inflammation can starve follicles. A spoonful of black sesame seeds can act as a reset, delivering the raw materials follicles need to recover. Nighttime is key. While asleep, the heart slows, breathing deepens, and the body repairs itself. Hair grows fastest and heals most effectively during sleep. But follicles cannot rebuild if nutrients are not already in the bloodstream. Taking black sesame seeds before bed ensures that vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants are available exactly when follicles are most ready to grow. Melatonin, a hormone that rises at night, not only regulates sleep but also stimulates hair growth, accelerates follicle recovery, and influences the hair growth phase. Pairing melatonin with the nutrients from black sesame seeds floods follicles with the fuel they need at the precise time they are most receptive. Blood circulation also improves at night. Scalp blood vessels widen, increasing nutrient delivery by up to 30%, making follicles more accessible and ready to absorb nourishment. Nighttime also lowers cortisol, a stress hormone that weakens follicles. With cortisol low, follicles can relax, recover, and repair damage. Nutrients from black sesame seeds taken at this time enter a body that is calm, receptive, and prepared to grow hair. Protein synthesis, the process by which hair keratin is rebuilt, occurs most effectively during sleep. Cellular detoxification also occurs at night, removing damaged cells and inflammation. Antioxidants from black sesame seeds support this process, leaving the scalp cleaner and more capable of growing new hair. Hair loss is not always permanent. Many cases in seniors are due to deficiencies, inflammation, and poor circulation rather than age itself. By nourishing the body at night, follicles regain strength. Hair begins holding on, strands thicken, the scalp feels warmer and healthier, and baby hairs start forming along the hairline. Hair is never too old to grow, and follicles are never too late to heal. One spoonful of black sesame seeds before bed signals the body to repair, rebuild, and restore. Hormonal balance is another crucial factor. As we age, hormones fluctuate and hair follicles become vulnerable. Lignans in black sesame seeds support the body's hormonal system, gently helping to rebalance estrogen, reduce excess androgens, and stabilize endocrine function. This supports hair growth, especially after menopause or andropause. Lignans also reduce inflammation caused by hormonal imbalance. Healthy fats in black sesame seeds improve blood flow to the scalp, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach the roots. Copper supports melanin production, restoring hair color gradually. Together, lignans and copper help hair regain health and vibrancy. Hormonal imbalances can make seniors feel as though they are losing control of their hair and identity. Hair holds confidence, youth, and self-expression by providing nutrients that support hormone balance. Black sesame seeds help restore not just hair, but a sense of well-being. Traditionally, countries such as China, Korea, and Japan included black sesame seeds in their diets, which may explain lower rates of age-related hair thinning. Lignans help regulate hormone metabolism, support adrenal function, stabilize estrogen receptors, and protect hormone-related cells from oxidative stress. Nighttime consumption aligns with the body's natural hormonal recalibration. When melatonin rises, cortisol drops and growth hormone peaks. This creates an ideal environment for follicle repair without interruption from daytime stress. Week by week, seniors notice tangible results. Hair shedding decreases, scalp warmth improves, strands strengthen, graying slows, and new hairs appear. These changes are the fingerprints of hormonal balance returning naturally. Hair follicles are supported, nourished, and able to grow again. Hormones want to protect, restore, and support hair, energy, and confidence. Black sesame seeds provide the raw materials necessary for that support. Each spoonful restores balance, giving follicles the environment they need to thrive. Hair is never too old to grow. Follicles are always capable of healing if given proper nourishment at the right time. Nighttime nutrition with black sesame seeds is simple, natural, and powerful. Consistency is key. Supporting the body with these nutrients nightly allows hair to regain strength, thickness, color, and vitality. It is a quiet transformation that begins from within and shows itself gradually in hair that looks youthful, healthy, and resilient. Seniors who embrace this simple nightly ritual give their bodies the tools to repair, restore, and support hair growth. With time, patience, and consistent care, thinning hair can become thicker, stronger, and more vibrant. Every spoonful is an investment in the health of the scalp, the follicles, and the hair itself. This is a natural, safe, and effective way to nourish hair, support hormonal balance, and improve scalp health. Night after night, this small, simple step can create profound, lasting change, showing that it is never too late for hair to grow and flourish.